Make a great choice today with the 2022 Colorado. Great hauling capability, powerful, rugged, and a great Chevy price. Colorado is it. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: sliding rear window, tire pressure monitor, four-wheel drive, tow hitch, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights. Your new ride is just a phone call away.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.